What's up folks, welcome back. Today we are going to see pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 1, question number 2. So in question number 2 there are about 9 questions you could see here, but today we are seeing the question B. Okay, already the question A is solved, that I'll give you in the description, you can go and watch that. The question A is intersecting lines. So now they are asking the question, check whether the following equations are consistent, inconsistent. Also they are asking us to make a graph for the given two equations. So now this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now we have to find out whether these two equations are either they are parallel, are they intersecting, or are they coincident. So that we will find out. So let's go forward and solve them. The question number 2 is 2x minus 3y equal to 8 is the first equation. The second equation is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So now I can write this as, if I just equate this equation with the general equation. So before going for that, I'll send this y to this side, 8 to this side. So I can write 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So now when I represent this with the general equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a is representing 2 and b is representing minus 3 and c is representing minus 8. Okay, this is nothing but a1, b1 and c1. So now even the second equation, if we observe, I'll bring this line to this side. So I'll get 4x minus 6y. So if I bring this 9 to this side, I'll get minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, I can take 2 common here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This is 9 by 2. So if I send this 2 to other side, I send to 2 other side. So this is 0 by 2. I'll get the equation as 2x minus 3y minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. This I'll just represent with the general equation that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a is representing 2, b is representing minus 3, c is representing minus 2. Alright, I think this you already got clarity, but I still show you one more time, that is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Sorry, 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This I am taking over here. So now if I take 2 as common, so before taking 2 as common, I'll write this as 6y minus 9. So what I'm doing is that I'll just multiplying and divide with 2 here. If I again cancel this 2 and 2, again you'll be getting the previous equation only. So there is no change in that. So I'm just multiplying and dividing with 2 because I'm taking 2 as common. So I take 2 as common, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and this is minus 9 by 2 we are getting. So that is nothing but 2 2s are we're getting 4 and we're getting 2 3s are we're getting it as 6. Again if I multiply here, 2 2 get cancelled, we'll be getting 9, the first one. Okay, so now if I send this 2 to other side, I'll be getting 2x minus 3y minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. Right, so I think 2x minus 3y minus 9 by 2 equal to 0 we got. So this is exactly like this equation. Right, so I hope this is clear to you. So this is just for understanding of this particular one, that how I took common. So like this is a1 b1 c1 we got. So this is a2 b2 c2 we got. So now this will show in the format that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is again equal to c1 by c2. So a1 is 2, then a2 is also 2, right, and b1 is minus 3, so even b2 is also minus 3. What about c1? c1 is minus 8, but c2 is minus 9 by 2. So let's take little up, little more. So I can get this as 2 by 2 minus 3 by 3 minus 3. So I can send this 2 to other side. So that goes up. So that will become, so this is simply like this, a by b. So this, if nothing is there in the numerator, I can write 1 by 8. So which means this is like this, a by b by C by D. So this we can write it as A by B into D by C. In the same way, this also I am writing, this is in the form of 1 by 8 minus 9 by 2. So I can write this as 1 by 8 and 2 goes up, that is 2 by minus 9. Got it? So I can cancel 2 1s are 2 4s are. So I'll be getting 1 by 9 4s are 36. So this is all about the equation where we got 2 by 2 and minus 3 by 3. So these are equal, where this is not equal. So this represents very clearly these are parallel lines. So we'll say this as inconsistent. So the lines were inconsistent and also they are parallel lines. Okay. So if they are parallel, how does they look like? If this is one line, the second line will be like this. So in such way, what will be the equation of the first one? This equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 8 is the first one, and 4x minus 6y equal to 9 is the second equation. So we got this equation as the parallel equation. I hope this is very clear to you. Even we'll try to see how to make the graph. So let's go forward and let's make the graph for this. 2x minus 3y equal to 8 is the first equation, and the second equation is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So again I'll be taking the same style as we have taken in the first equation. So now I'll take y to one side, I'll send other variables to other side. So I can say 2x, if I'm bringing this 8 to other side, so that is becoming minus 8, and this 3y I'm taking to this side, so as this is already minus, so that will become plus now. So that is equal to 3y. Alright, this 3y is coming to this side, that is becoming positive now. This 8 is positive, as this is coming, this is negative. So if I send this 3 to other side, I'll be getting y is equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. Okay, just send 3 to other side. So now I'll be taking x equal to 0. So when I take x equal to 0, I'll just submit in the place of x, I'll submit the 0 here. So I take y equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. So y is equal to 2. In the place of x, I'm just submitting 0. So this 2 into 0 is 0 minus 8 by 3. So I'll be getting y equal to 2 into 0 is 0. So we got minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 in the sense I can take, I'll just divide this 3 and 8. 3 2s are 6 and 2 is the denominator. I can take point here and 0 here. So now 3 6 are 18 we can take here. So we can get y is equal to minus 2.6. Right. So the next thing we'll take, that is x equal to 1 I'm taking, so I can get y equal to, here I'll take the same equation, that is 2x. So in the place of x I'm just submitting now 1. So 1 minus 8 by 3. So I'll get y is equal to 2 1s are 2 minus 8 by 3, where that is minus 6 by 3. So that is y equal to minus 2. So in the first equation we are getting the coordinate as x comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 2.6 is the first equation, and the second equation is x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 2. So this is the second equation. So let's see the third equation. The equation is, so I'm taking x equal to 2. So that is y equal to 2x minus 8. So in the place of x I can directly submit 2. So that is 2 into 2 minus 8 by 3. So I'll be getting y equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 8 by 3. So I can get y equal to minus 4 by 3. So if I divide this 3 and 4, 3 1s are 3 here, 1 is the remainder, and I can take point and 0 here, so 3 3s are will be getting 9. So I can get y equal to minus 1.3. So I can write here x comma y is equal to, I can get 2 comma minus 1.3. Okay, so these are the three of the quadrants which we got for first for the first equation. This is the second equation anyhow. So I'll write these equation quadrants. So that is x quadrant, y quadrant, and the next one is x comma y quadrant. So how much we got for x? For x we got, first when I took x equal to 0, we're getting that as minus 2.6. So the quadrant is 0 comma minus 2.6. Second thing, if we take x, we took 1, so we're getting this as minus 2. So we got this as 1 comma minus 2. And the third one we have taken that as 2, so we got that as minus 1.3. So we got this as 2 comma minus 1.3. Alright, so now this is the first equation. Alright, so let's do the same for the second equation also. Okay, so what is the second equation? That is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So we'll take that and we'll do it. The second equation is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So now here I can do this as, I'll just send this 6y to other side, so I'll be getting 4x minus 9 equal to 6y. So now in that one I can write this as, even if I send this 6 to other side, so I'll be getting y equal to 4x minus 9 by 6. Okay, so now I'll take x equal to 0, so I just submit in the place of x, I'll take 0, so that I'll get y equal to 4 into 0 minus 9 by 6. So that I'll get as y equal to minus 9 by 6, where 4 into 0 is 0. So now I'll divide this 6 and 9, 6 ones are 6, I'll get 3 as the remainder, and I take point here and 0 here. So 6 5s I can take, that is 30. So I can take y is equal to minus 1.5 we got. Okay, so let's see the second one, that is x equal to 1. So I can take y equal to 4 and x, in the place of x I can write 1 minus 9 by 6. So y is equal to 4 ones are 4 minus 9 by 6. So y equal to 4 minus 9 in the sense that is 5 by 6. So that I can divide 6 here and 5 here. So I can take here 0 point and I can take 0 here. So now here 6 sides are 48 I can take, right? So y is equal to minus 0.8. So we're getting here in the first equation I got x comma y, that is nothing but 0 comma minus 1.5 we got. In the second one we got x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 0.8. Okay, so let's see the third equation, that is x equal to 2. So we got the equation y equal to 4 into, in the place of x I can write 2, so this is minus 9 by 6. So I got y equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 9 by 6, which is y equal to minus 1 by 6. So that is nothing but 6 here, 1 as the dividend. I can take 0 point, so I can write 0 here. 6 ones are 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So as point is there, so that is simply we got 0.1, so I can write y equal to minus 0.1, right? So now we got the quadrants, so I can write the quadrants here as x comma y, x, y and x comma y. So now we would get that as x is 0, y is minus 1.5, and this we are getting as 0 comma minus 1.5, right? Second thing I would get it as 1, I took 1 and I'm getting minus 0.8, so this I'm getting my 1 comma minus 0.8. Third one we have taken x equal to 2 and we got it as minus 0.1, so we got 2 comma minus 0.1. So these are the quadrants for the second equation. Okay, so now what we do is that we'll draw the graph for both of the equations, the quadrants which we got. Alright, so let's go forward and draw the graph. So let's see the graph. So first we have to write units for the graph, that is for x-axis we have taken the scale x-axis, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Even for the y-axis, that is y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So the scale, I will write it as scale as heading. Scale is nothing but this. See, this is 1 centimeter we are taking. This is 2nd centimeter. This is 3rd centimeter. So we are just representing that. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the representation of the centimeters. Okay. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this also I can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4 I can write. So here also I can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So this is minus x-axis, right? So this is minus y. So this also I can write -1, -2, -3, -4. So now I'm taking the first quadrant and I'm taking here 0, -2.6. 0 is over here, -2.6 in the y-axis, 2 is here, so 2.6 is around here. So this is nothing but 0, -2.6. Okay. So next is 1, -2. 1 is over here in the x-axis and 2 is here, so I can write this as 1, -2. Okay. The second equation, the third point is that 2, -1.3. So in x-axis 2 is here and in y-axis 1.3 is somewhere here, so I can write this as 2, -1.3. So let's draw the graph for this. So I can get this approximately. So I'll just take it again for the better graph. So I got this as the line approximately. Okay. So this is the first graph. For the first equation, this is the graph. So let's draw the graph for the second equation, that is 0, -1.5. So in x-axis 0 is here, in y-axis -1.5 in the sense. So I can take -1.5 somewhere in y-axis -1.5, that is, this is -1.5 here. So I can write this as 0, -1.5. Second one is 1, -0.8. So 1 is over here in x-axis and in y-axis -0.8 is somewhere here. So I can write this as 1, -0.8. The next is 2, 0.1. So 2 is over here. So I can write here 2 as somewhere here. Okay. So that is 2, 0.1. So let me draw the graph for the same. So I can take the line here and I'll try to draw the graph. So this is when you properly see that this is looking like a parallel line, right? So this is a parallel line. Definitely the two lines were parallel line, as we have already seen in the equation, that we have already seen that these two lines were parallel lines. We understood previously. So as the same, we got these are parallel lines. All right. So this is the way we'll draw the graph. I hope this is very clear to you.